Hello beautiful people, it's me again, Reggie. For today's video, it's another discovery for myself, and this is very useful, and I just want to share with you all guys what I have discovered and what I have bought last time. So, okay, let's do it. Unboxing of my new kitchen tools. We will see what's inside on this product. This is a it's not so small, but it's a small product. And yeah, I love this because it's a color, it's a white color. So it's it has also I have also bought an extra vacuum plastic. So this is this. Let's set aside the cartoon and let's check what's inside. Actually, I am longing this product for a very longer period of time, but I cannot decide where and what kind of product I will be buying. So now I have decided for myself to buy endlessly this one. So okay, let's check inside. By the way, this is, let me first show you how it looked like. This is Silbercrest kitchen tools. This is a vacuum sealer, and also yes, it's a sealer. Yes. So let's check inside. I'm excited now. It has a free vacuum plastic inside. So, but I also buy another one so that I can use it. I can use for the rest for the rest of the time, you know. So it has here. Yes, this is a free. And this my video is to. And this one, I don't know what is this for. What is this thing? That's also a vacuumer. I think it's a vacuumer, you know. Let's check and watch. Oh. This one. It has also a guide from Bedienung in German. A guidebook. And of course the main star. This one. Okay, so it has also a plastic here, and I need to pull it out. And yes, this is this. A very, what am I? Oh, can I open this one? What? Oh, they had this up. So it's look like this, and next time, if I have for my next video, I will be showing you how to use this one. Please wait, Angela. I am doing my vlog now. Yes, guys, this is what it's inside. What are all inside in this product? So let me close this up. This one. This one, and yeah, so yes guys, and that's for today's video. And for more videos, kindly click the like button and hit the notification bell to get more updates of my video. And of course, subscribe. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.